This video, we will use compound angle identities to evaluate trig functions. By writing pi over 12 as pi over 4 minus pi over 6, find the value of cosine pi over 12 in the form square root of a plus square root of b over c, where a, b, c are integers to be determined. Cosine pi over 12 equals cosine pi over 4 minus pi over 6. We will use these compound angle identities. For cosine, we will write down C, C, S, S. You could see the sign is opposite. CC plus SS. Cosine pi over 4 cosine pi over 6 plus sine pi over 4 sine pi over 6. Pi over 4 is 45 degrees. Let's draw this special right triangle. 45. 1 square root of 2. Pi over 6 is 180 divided by 6, 30 degrees. 30 degrees. 1 square root of 3, 2. From these two diagrams, we could see cosine pi over 4 is 1 over square root of 2. Square root of 2 over 2 times cosine 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2 plus sine 45 square root of 2 over 2 times sine pi over 6 1 over 2. Simplify square root of 6 over 4 plus square root of 2 over 4 equals square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. E. By writing 5 pi over 12 as 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 4, find the value of sine 5 pi over 12 in the form square root of a plus square root of b over c, where a, b, and c are integers to be determined. For sine 5 pi over 12 equals sine 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 4. We will use this formula, same sign. So we get SC minus CS equals sine 2 pi over 3 cosine pi over 4 minus cosine 2 pi over 3 sine pi over 4. Let's go to coordinate plane. Pi over 4 is in the first quadrant. 1 square root of 2. 2 pi over 3 is in second quadrant. 2 pi over 3, the reference angle is 60. So we get square root of 3, negative 1, 2. Use this diagram to figure out sine 2 pi over 3, square root of 3 over 2. Cosine pi over 4, 1 over square root of 2, square root of 2 over 2, minus cosine 2 pi over 3 is negative 1 over 2 times sine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. Simplify square root of 6 over 4 Negative is positive, plus square root of 2 over 4 equals square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. Let's go to C. By writing pi over 12 as pi over 3 minus pi over 4, find the value of tangent pi over 12 in the form square root of a minus b over c, where a, b, c are integers to be determined. For tangent pi over 12 equals tangent pi over 3 minus pi over 4. We got to use this formula. Plus minus, here is plus minus. Same. Bottom minus plus, it will be opposite. Use this formula, we can get tangent pi over 3 minus tangent pi over 4. 1 plus tangent pi over 3 times tangent pi over 4. Pi over 3. Pi we change into 180 degree. We know this is a 60 degree. 60 degree. Cross will be square root of 3. 1, 2. For pi over 4, it's 45 degree. 1 square root of 2. Tangent 60 equals opposite over adjacent square root of 3 minus tangent of pi over 4 equals 1. Then 1 plus square root of 3 times 1. Simplify. Square root of 3 minus 1 over 1 plus square root of 3. Let's simplify. I will change bottom into square root of 3 plus 1. Top is square root of 3 minus 1. We will times the conjugate of square root of 3 plus 1, square root of 3 minus 1. So top and bottom of this fraction times the square root of 3 minus 1. For square root of 3 plus 1 times the square root of 3 minus 1, we will use this formula, a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. We call this conjugate multiply equals square root of 3 squared minus 1 squared equals 3 minus 1 equals 2. So we get denominator 2. Top, square root of 3 minus 1 squared. Let's use a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. How to remember this formula? Think about this is a, this is b. A plus b squared means the area of the square with a plus b as the side. Construct this square. This is a square with a plus b as the side. We can figure out this is a square, this is a b square, this is a, so ab, ab. So we get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. For square root of 3 minus 1 squared, square root of 3 squared is 3. These two multiply. Negative square root of 3, then times 2, minus 2 square root of 3, plus negative 1 squared is 1. Simplify 4 minus 2 square root of 3. 4 minus 2 square root of 3. Simplify again. 4 divided by 2 is 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 minus square root of 3. D. By writing 5 pi over 12 as pi over 4 plus pi over 6, find the value of tangent 5 pi over 12 in the form square root of a plus b over c, where a, b, and c are integers to be determined. We will use this formula, tangent 5 pi over 12, tangent pi over 4 plus pi over 6 equals tangent pi over 4 plus tangent pi over 6 over 1 minus tangent pi over 4 tangent pi over 6. Since pi over 4 and pi over 6 are acute angle, let's draw this special right triangle. Tangent pi over 4 is 1 plus tangent pi over 6, 1 over square root of 3, square root of 3 over 3. 1 minus tangent pi over 4 is 1. Tangent pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 3. Simplify. 1 plus square root of 3 over 3. 1 minus square root of 3 over 3. This is a complex fraction times 3 top and bottom, so that we can get rid of this denominator, equals distributive property 3 plus square root of 3, denominator 3 minus square root of 3, then times conjugate to simplify 3 plus square root of 3, 3 plus square root of 3 equals denominator a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. So we get 3 squared minus square root of 3 squared. 9 minus 3, that's 6. Look at the top. We will use a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. 3 plus square root of 3 squared equals 3 squared is 9 plus 3 times square root of 3, 3 square root of 3, then times 2. 6 square root of 3 plus square root of 3 squared is 3. 12 plus 6 square root of 3. 12 plus 6 square root of 3. Rewrite 12 plus 6 square root of 3 over 6. So we get 2 plus square root of 3. Tangent 5 pi over 12 equals 2 plus square root of 3.